100. Accurately measures wear on all 1/2 pitch bicycle chains. Compatible with most 5 to 12 speed chains. Go, no-go gauge indicates 0.5% and 0.75% wear. Top reviews from the United States. Simply easy tool to check chain wear, YMMV. Had my chain for some time, 10,000 miles. Yikes. And while it was shifting okay and the cassette wasn't worn, likely due to ritual maintenance, lubing, cleaning, only dry rides, I figured it was time for a replacement. Using this tool was simple and the 0.5 dropped in quickly. The 0.75 was a bit of a push on some links but slid in just enough to make me say, why not? All that said, people who ritually replace their chain every 2,500 miles must be animals and throwing down some TDF-like power, or just don't keep their chain clean, ride in some gnarly conditions. Or just don't realize they have more life left in it. But in 5 seconds this tool takes all the guesswork out for an accurate decision, highly recommended as YMMV.